been pulled over in Cranston, Rhode Island. Hello, how are you?
Do you have your license and registration?
Yes, I do.
What's up with that plate?
What do you mean?
Where'd you get that from?
What do you mean where did I get that from? That's my company.
It's your company?
Yeah.
Right. Do you have the documentation?
Yes, I do.
Because people have been stealing them and using them.
Oh, not at all.
Is the car's information on the back of that plate?
No.
No? Alright.
Here you go. I'm gonna grab the documentation in my briefcase right here in the back. All right.
Were you coming for a VIN check? What was it?
Nah, auction.
Auction? Alright.
Okay, here's the business license lookup.
I just need the vehicle's registration information.
There's no vehicle registration.
Do you have the VIN number or anything?
No, there's no. This vehicle was previously registered to me. This car's gonna. Yes.
All right, so.
Like I have the old registration.
So it was registered to you.
Yes. Now it's gonna go to the auction. So 2008 Maserati Quattroporte. Here's my name.
All right, so you have the VIN number right here.
Yeah, right there.
And is this the current insurance company?
No, the current insurance company is right here.
And then the plate. That's your business plate?
Yes.
Okay, do you have that information on you?
Yeah, like here's a business license.
Yep, you already gave me that.
Okay.
Give me your license, yeah.
So you can take these two. Driver's identification card. Yeah. Here you go.
You have nothing with the flips in?
Or you could just go on the website and punch in the plate, it'll come back active.
And it's called MP Auto Transport?
Yeah.
Okay. I just stay in the car for me, alright?
Alright.
Alright, so the plates are not coming back registered to anything. Okay? So the car has to be towed.
The plates are coming back not registered to anything.
Nothing. Washington State, nothing's coming back. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a ticket for misuse of plates. That's what I'm gonna say. If you had the Massachusetts plates, because the car is registered still on those Massachusetts plates, you can still use them.
No, they're not still registered.
So, what is it?
They're not still registered.
It says active.
The plate might be active, but it's not insured.
Okay. Well, so the car has to be towed. If you come and show proof that those plates are active, you can get the plates back.
I did give you proof that the plates are active. Let me give a call for a second.
Yeah, that's fine.
Did you call the state of Washington?
I had dispatch run the plate. I ran it 3 times and it didn't come back, and then the dispatch called. The plates are not registered. If you can show...
That is too funny.
That's why I don't understand why you don't have the Massachusetts plates still on. You can come.
Hello? Ed, they're saying the plates are not active, and that they're towing it. I'm in Rhode Island, and they're saying that it's not active, and they're towing my car right now, my Maserati. You have to call the Washington DMV.
Listen, I did everything I had to do. It's not showing. And you're not, and I already explained to you. Are you driving to Washington State right now?
These people here, they're illegally towing the car. I know we did, and that's what I'm saying. And they're illegally towing the car. Saying that they said they had dispatch run the plate, and it's not coming back to anything. So so exactly, if it's not coming back to anything, there's no probable cause. It doesn't mean anything. What does that mean?
I'm gonna give you a ticket. You have a court date, so if you want to come to court with all your information, and then hopefully everything will be dropped.
But this is illegal.
How is it illegal?
Because you're illegally towing the car. It's not coming. Is it coming back stolen?
You have a misuse of plate on there.
How am I misusing the plate?
Because like I said, did you read how when you go to an auction, right? You said you were coming from the auction?
It doesn't even matter. At that point, it doesn't even matter.
Okay, I'm just telling you what it is. The car has to be towed. I'll give you the tickets. If you bring the proper paperwork.
Excuse me?
If you bring the proper paperwork to court.
That is the proper paperwork. I gave you the business license.
It's not going to work today.
It's not going to work today. Yes, hello? Hello?
Because the plates are not active.
Hello? They're saying the plates are not active. I gave you documentation proving that the plates are active.
I'm not going to argue.
It's one out of 20.
What do you mean 1 out of 20?
Did you not read the paperwork? It clearly shows the plates are active.
Listen, like I said.
No, it clearly. I gave you every documentation.
Just get what you need to get out of the car.
I gave you every piece of documentation regarding to the vehicle. I even showed you that I am the legal owner of this vehicle, and now you're saying it's a misuse of plate. I provided you with the business license, the transporting information, insurance identification card, and you're telling me because your dispatch could not see that it was active in your system that you are now illegally towing this vehicle, and your probable cause for the stop in the first place is that the car is tinted when it's actually legally tinted because Rhode Island law states that it needs to be 70% visibility. So where's your tint meter? So that was your probable cause for the traffic stop. I have it on video. Okay. Then secondly, you said that the plate is put on wrong, but dealer plates, that's a dealer tag. So when dealer plates is inside the dealer tag, that's how you put the plate on. And then to take it a step further, now you're telling me it's misuse of a plate. It's not misuse of the plate if I'm on my way to the state right now. I'm working, I'm transporting. You see what I'm wearing. I'm in the middle of work. And now, yes. Okay. On my way to Washington right now. So
state?
Yes. Okay. So that being said, there's no misuse of the plate.
Can I just ask you one question? Where are you coming from?
I don't have to. It's within my legal right, my Fifth Amendment.
Plate, you have to go from the auction to the dealership.
No, so you can't stop. Today? So you can use yes. And can I not stop for gas? And may I not stop for food?
I never said that.
Oh, okay.
But
so
you don't have the paperwork from the auction.
But I don't need the paperwork from the auction. I provided you with the insurance identification card, the driver's identification card. I provided you with the business license. I could even provide you with tax forms. So you're illegally towing this vehicle. Okay. This is illegal.
I'm not gonna argue with you.
It's illegal.
Okay. The car's getting towed.
It's illegal. You are literally doing something illegal, and it's on tape. You can't even justify the traffic stop in the first place.
Like
you just pulled out, and you said you told you didn't even have a chance to run the plate.
Get your stuff and then get out of the car.
You're illegal. This is illegal. This is completely illegal. blue. Sure that's the right card number? Because I put in your zip code 02, what is it, 02372 or 02072? 576, okay. Alright.
So we can tow it in this way here in the snow.
I don't have the key to the vehicle.
What happened to it?
I don't have the key to the vehicle. I left the key to the vehicle inside the car.
It's inside the car? You think the police officer, you can help the police officer find it?
I'm over here waiting for a ride in the cold right now.
Only because it'll be a lot easier to tow your car with the key. It'll be more expensive to tow it without the key.
She told me, but before I even got there, she never justified why she stopped me in the first place. She said tints. That was the reasoning. I have it on camera. She said tints. In the way that the transporter plate was on the vehicle, which it was inside of a...
transport plate in the vehicle?
I had a... No, the vehicle was being transported on a transported plate.
You had a transported plate next to the vehicle, yes or no?
Yes.
Did you have paperwork for the transported plate?
Yes. I had the insurance identification card. I had the business license, the W-9 tax form to prove that I'm an employee of the company. So between insurance identification card, insurance card, so those are two separate documents, the driver's identification card to show that I'm an authorized driver, in the business license and the W-9 tax form, and I was still told? Come on.
Okay.
And she said, and it came back to nothing. And then this was her other reasoning. She said it didn't come back as anything. It didn't come back as active. It didn't come back as anything. Okay. And that was her reason for towing the car. And then to take it a step further, during the traffic stop, I called Cranston Police to speak to the sergeant. I don't know which sergeant I spoke to. I believe it was Boss. And I explained the situation to him. I'm like, I'm in a traffic stop with 2 of your officers. I provided all the documentation that I was supposed to provide, and they're towing my vehicle. And he said, well, it's not coming back to anything, so I don't know what to tell you. I'm like, well, you can go on the DMV's website, insert the plate, it will come back as active. He said, well, that's a public website. We have something internally as police officers that links us state to state, and it's not coming back on that.
That's correct.
And I said, okay,
So
but why is that my issue? You know, it's still active.
We act in good faith on that, sir.
And then on top of that, she told me that people be stealing those plates, so that's why she pulled me over. That was the reason for the traffic stop. She said people steal those plates, so that's why she pulled me over. That was the reason for the traffic stop. So because what other people do justifies why you're just pulling over people randomly. You see what I'm saying right there? That doesn't make any sense. Because of what other people do, you're telling me that's why I'm being pulled over today. I don't care if you pulled over 100 people and they had those plates and they were stolen. Did you run my plate and they came back stolen? No. So why am I being pulled over?
And it came back not active, she's gonna pull you over.
But she didn't, but I know for a fact, and if this was like a trial situation and she was cross-examined, I know for a fact that she didn't run my plate because there was 3 cars ahead, and I seen when she pulled out. I drove right by her, and she pulled out, and then she pulled over 3 people trying to get to me. She turned on her lights. Everyone was confused on who she was pulling over, so everyone stopped. And then she pulled and then pulled and pulled closer, and then tried to adjust herself behind my vehicle, and that's how everybody else knew that the traffic stop was for me. So just the idea of the initial traffic stop, I want to know how does that happen? So you just seen the vehicle and was like, black Maserati, black guy, Washington plate. I'm pulling them over.
Are the windows tinted?
Huh?
Are the windows tinted?
Not tinted enough to not be able to see me. I tell you that much. The visibility is within the legal limit. I searched the law. 70% visibility.
Hold on, I'm asking if the windows tinted, how do you know that you were a man of color? That's all I'm asking.
Oh, no, the windows are not that tinted.
Okay.
Not at all.
Listen,
And the sunroof was back, so now you get that extra sunlight coming through.
It's a valid question, is it not?
No, it's a valid question. And now I have to deal with the expense of releasing my vehicle, a lawyer for this court date, this Uber outside that's been waiting for me this whole time. So you guys just completely ruined my day. But I've been through this a million times, and it's like, you know, it's not gonna look good for the department because I'm actually one of them smart niggers, not one of the dumb ones, one of the smart ones. You know, I know to file complaints, I know to hire lawyers. I've been around a little bit. I done had my situations with internal affairs.
Okay. Captain Parker's the guy you want to talk to.
Definitely.
Anymore, okay?
I will.
Good luck, sir.
All right.
Hey, bro. Hey, man. Father, Son, Holy Spirit, bless you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Forgiveness and mercy.
Definitely. No. So where do I have the tow truck pull in to grab the vehicle?
Just pull to the front gate when it gets here and call that phone to move to the back, okay?
All right.
They're gonna give you a car?
Yeah, they're gonna give me my car. Not yet.
Oh, then why are you standing up?
Huh?
Why are you standing up? Just waiting?
Yeah.
Alright, just call when it comes in. I'll let you in the back.
Okay.
Alright. Do you want me to just give you this on camera? Because it's going back in the car.
Just put it in the car.
Alright.
What the fuck are you doing?
Backing up where? Back it up. Where's the car at?
I don't know. Joe's over there.
Where is it?
Over there.
I see it. Put John down. Wait a second. Thanks.
Hello? What did you say?
You stay in the truck?
Do I have to?
It has to be back yet. Civilians that has to be back yet. So you can stay in there or you can sit in the truck, whatever you want to do.
You've pulled people over with those plates before, haven't you? And you lost every single one of those cases?
See this thing?
Yeah. Ask her for the original key first.
Huh?
Ask her for the original key first.
You got a key to this car?
Yes.
Give me the key to the car so I can put it on the truck. Or get out of my truck and I'm leaving. Make up your mind. I don't have all day. I'm done. I already been here long enough. You got a key to that car, give it to me. If you don't want to give it to me, get out of my truck. Make your mind up now.
I'm grabbing it. Why are you being a dick?
Well, I got things to do. I'm not playing games with you.
Okay, can you get
I'm not
the...
asking anybody for anything.
I need the key. They have it, so I can put what it needs inside of it.
What's wrong? You don't have a key to your truck.
She said she don't have the key to the car? I have no idea what's going on, but whatever it is, it's really weird. Have no idea. But they're coming up to me now. I'm on the phone with you. All right.
Sir, step out of the car.
They're telling me to step out the car, Scott.
Your car's unregistered. It's being towed.
They said my car's unregistered. It's being towed. Am I under arrest or being detained?
We have to tow your car.
Okay, they said they have to tow my car.
We'll provide you a ride off the highway.
Okay, they'll provide me a ride off the highway. All right, sounds good.
You can put that down.
Why?
Just put it down right here.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Because we're providing a ride for you in one of our cruisers, I'm going to pat for you to make sure you don't have any
They
weapons.
said they're going to pat my lawyers on the phone.
That's fine. Put your hands on top of your head. Just make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay? Put your hands on top of your head. You have to interlace your fingers. You put the phone down. You can keep recording it. It's fine.
Okay.
But just put the phone down.
Okay.
Okay. Put your hands on top of your head. Spread your feet.
Drop me off in the middle of Providence. Cranston police has dropped me off in the middle of Providence and towed my other vehicle. Wow. I'm talking to the sergeant right now at Cranston Police, and he's telling me that I can't pick up the white Maserati because it's on part of an ongoing investigation. But they took my legal documents from me, and now he's telling me that my legal documents are a part of the investigation. But they never issued me a citation in the first place. And they dropped me off at the side of the highway. What does that look like to you guys? How do you pull me over? Tell me you're towing my vehicle, and you do not even provide me with a citation on why. I don't even know why I was pulled over. Wow. Let's see what he says about this. Hold on. So you guys can see clearly. It is November 10th, 2017. Let's see how he justifies it. So now I can't pick up my vehicle because it's a part of an ongoing investigation.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, I just verified that we don't have your actual original license, so if you need that, you have to go to the DMV to get it.
You guys gave it back to me, but what I'm saying is that how do I get a traffic stop and my car towed, but I don't even get issued a citation? So there was, you guys did not do your due diligence to go with any protocol. I didn't get any citation. I have no document for court or anything of that nature with this traffic stop. Now you're saying the car is there for under investigation. So how?
The officer who stopped you earlier today, I know it's going home, so I can't.
No, not earlier today. I'm talking about on the highway, that stop. I wasn't issued a citation. You guys dropped me off at exit 18. Your officer gave me a ride off the highway, and I
know sometimes what they will do is mail a citation.
But
send it in the mail.
But you guys towed the vehicle. I was supposed to be given a. I was told twice today by you guys, and the first time you gave me a citation, and I was able to come pick up the vehicle, and for some reason it was at the police station and not at the collision center. Now you guys take this vehicle, bring it to the police station, not the collision center, and this time I'm not even given a citation. Do you really think this is gonna fly with a judge or with your captain when I speak to him on Monday?
Well, you're more than welcome to do that, sir.
I'm going to definitely do that, but what I'm saying is that did you even take that into consideration?
Okay, well, I didn't take anything into consideration. I am the one that answered the phone. I was not on scene.
Yeah, well, your officers harassed me. I even have it on video that they stopped my video that I was recording to illegally search me.
Okay, well, we have no probable cause to search you, and from the report I read, there's no probable cause that they had to search you. So is there anything else I can help you with today, sir?
You said there wasn't probable cause to search me?
No, there was no probable cause to search you.
So that's
anything else I can help you with?
So Sarge, why was I searched? Like, can I file the complaint with you?
Can you file a complaint with me?
Yes, Sarge. Because all I'm saying is this, Sarge. I'm really not trying to be a dickhead. I'm just really confused because this has been a really bad day for me. I was pulled over twice today, Sarge, by the same department.
You explained to the officer earlier today that you were transporting a vehicle to Washington for auction, correct?
That's what I said at the initial traffic stop earlier during the day.
Okay, so what happened?
But before
transport that original car to Washington like you
but
told the officer.
but before
If you want to really push the issue, we can
investigate
obstruction of justice charges, obstruction charges, because you gave false information to the officer.
Oh no, I did not give false information. We're talking about two different.
I understand you explained to her that you were in the process of transporting the vehicle. That's why you had the transport plates on the vehicle. You were going out to Washington State to transport.
All right, and then we can also push the issue that the tow truck driver told me that officer, and I have it on video, that officer told him to tell him where the car was being towed to. So what's that about? I have all this on video, officer. Can I have your email address and I'll send you these videos? Because now when we go to court, I can call that tow truck driver to testify. It's like you guys was waiting for me at the side of the highway. And the officer told me he pulled me over because he got a call for reckless driving of a white Maserati. Is that true? Was there a call placed to the department for reckless driving?
Yes, there was a report of someone who was operating recklessly. Yes.
A white Maserati specifically?
Correct.
Yes? And you guys have that on record?
Yep, there's a recording of it.
Okay, we definitely gonna need that recording.
Okay, well, if that's the case, you can have your attorney request all that. So is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, so when will the vehicle be ready for release?
After the detectives have conducted their investigation.
Okay, and how?
I don't have a specific time frame. If you're looking for a specific time or date, I don't have that. So I can tell you it's not currently ready.
Okay, and which sergeant am I speaking to?
Digon, D-Y-G-O-N.
Okay, it's gonna be a long process. Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
What reason?
The tow truck driver's name.
Why?
I am filing a complaint with the police, and that tow truck driver is also within the complaint.
About what? I don't understand.
I am filing a complaint with the Cranston Police Department, and that tow truck driver that was there, I need his first and last name so I can include his name in the police report.
Well, who are you?
I am the...
What did he tell?
He towed my black Maserati.
And why do you need my driver's name?
I need the driver because he was a witness to what was going on.
He's blind. He doesn't know anything about you. Okay? So make your complaint someplace else.
So I'll make the complaint with the company?
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.
We...
Goodbye. I hope you know that you're not being compliant.
So, you know...
Dion, I'm not going to record you walking in here.
I had a bad day yesterday, guys. Because of Cranston Police, but...
Dion, I'm not
here to motivate. No one's here.
Dion, oh my God, you're fucking...
Again, you guys know me, what I do. Keep the camera up.
I'm not fucking recording here.
What are you doing? Alright, my cousin's being weird, guys, but... You know, I'm bringing her here to the showroom to motivate her. I mean, this is what I like to do with my life, you know? Even after having a terrible day with Cranston Police. And Captain, I'm going to show you this video. How you doing? This is what I like to do with my life. I enjoy beautiful cars, and I aspire to be really rich one day. Hello. How are you? I aspire to be really, really, really wealthy one day. So, you know... This is the things that I surround myself around. And I'm going to give you guys a perfect example. I'm going to ask if this lady will actually testify to this for me. Can I ask you a question? But I'm shooting something for my documentary. I won't put your face in it, but just your voice. Do you mind?
I don't work for the store.
No, not for the store. It's nothing regarding the store.
No, I don't work for Bentley, so...
No, it's nothing regarding Bentley at all.
I don't want anything.
Like, all I wanted to ask was, do you see me in here often? You never seen me before?
Like I said, I don't work for the store. So
I've never had an interaction with you before?
Maybe. There's a lot of people that come in here.
Really?
And take pictures and, yeah. I'm sorry.
I was in here last week. You don't remember seeing me last week, the week before? I always say hi to you. You've never seen my face before.
There's a couple of kids, I'll be honest, there's a couple of kids that come in here every week and are sitting in the Bentleys taking pictures. Maybe, I'm sorry, I'm not good at names. My apologies.
I'm not
Maybe
saying names.
faces.
That's very disappointing that you can't even say that you've seen my face before.
Maybe I have. Like, I'm just a marketing person for the auto mall.
I'm not even asking all of that. I'm just saying, like, isn't your name Nicole?
Yes. Well,
Okay.
yes, it's
So
right
I
there.
always come in here, and when I walk in here, I say hi to you. And you're saying you've never seen my face
I
before.
probably have. Yes.
Okay,
There's a
so
lot
from
of people
alright, so
that
remember
come in.
me now. You see me now?
Sir, I
from-
don't want to get defensive with you. I'm just saying.
You
I
are
have a
getting
lot of-
defensive. Wow, these.
I'm sorry. I don't recognize you. I apologize. Maybe you have come in a couple times. Like I said, I don't work for the store, so I don't really talk to a lot of people that come in.
How did you get this job? Like, how did you get this job?
Can I get you the manager for the store?
Oh, I don't need a manager. I just simply wanted to confirm that you've seen me in here plenty of times.
Well, like you said, sir, you said you wanted to use my voice. I don't feel comfortable.
So that's all you had to say is that, but for you to just completely go off the wall and just say, I've never seen you before, people come in here all the time, that's completely a lie. People are never in the showroom often. I'm here almost every day.
I sit here 6 days a week.
So and I'm here 6 days a week.
Maybe I see you passing through, or maybe yes, we have talked a couple of times. Sir, I don't have a very good memory. I'm not good with names. I'm not good with faces. That's why I'm not customer facing.
And I completely respect that. Have a great day.
I certainly don't want to get into it. I have challenges here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm very hurt by you saying that.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't recognize faces. I don't. I'm very hurt that you said that.
Okay.
I meant absolutely no disrespect. So.
I took it kind of offensive just because I'm like, I've came in this office like a few times and said hi to you, and I'm like, I'm checking out the Bentayga again. Like, we've had those interactions.